Good morning, kids. I hope you have enjoyed the story The Unworthy Son, and you have also learnt a lesson that we should always work hard. Yes, children, it is only hard work that will help us to achieve our goals in life. If we are lazy, if we are unworthy, if we are not interested in what we are doing, then we will not get the result that we are looking for. So, to get a good result and to achieve whatever you want in life, we need to work hard. Okay, and today we will do the other activities of the lesson. So, let's start with words to know. Summoned, ordered, bid, effort or attempt, promptly, immediately, readily, quickly, trembling, shaking as a result of anxiety, sympathized, felt sorry, horrified, filled with horror, aching, hurting, earlier, something that happened before. बोलते हैं ना कि उस दिन ऐसा हुआ था, that means earlier, जो बहुत पहले हो चुका होता है. Occasion, a particular time. Hesitate, to be nervous or be unsure before doing something. So, when we are not sure about something, we hesitate to whether do that thing or not to do that thing. Now, be mindful. Value of hard work. Take note of how your body feels. What you see, smell, taste. You may be feeling emotions in your body, like a feeling of happiness or a good sense of feeling or feeling sad, bringing all kind of tiredness in your body. Focus on your body and mind feel good. You may do this by focusing on good qualities like cleanliness, gratitude, honesty, work hard and sharing. These qualities will bring you joy and make you feel happy and good. If you get something by working hard, you will enjoy it more and you will feel proud. Yes, children. So what happens is sometimes we feel tired, sometimes we are not happy, sometimes we are happy, sometimes we say, well, what happened? Why is this happening? But then if we focus on the good qualities that we have, like gratitude, cleanliness, honesty, work hard, then we would be very proud in whatever we achieve in life. Okay, so always stay focused. Now, question and answer. Why did the businessman wanted his son to earn money? So, the businessman wanted his son to earn money so that he can be responsible and he should leave his laziness. What would happen if he failed to do so? If he failed to do so, then he would not be given dinner for that night. What did the father ask him to do when the son showed him the first and the second gold coin? So, the father asked the son, what have you earned? So, the son showed the gold coin. So, father said, go and throw it in the well, and son did that. What was the son's response? So, son immediately went and threw the gold coin in the well. Why could the boy not throw the third gold coin in the well? So, you remember the boy first went to the mother. The mother said, I don't have a gold coin now, and then he went to a sister. Sister said, I also don't have a gold coin now. So, then he decided that I need to go out and work to get dinner at night. So, he went out, he went to a person, and that person said, if you put this trunk in my house, I will give you a gold coin. So, he worked hard for that gold coin. He took that heavy trunk on his shoulder, he got scratches and his shoulder was paining very badly, and he had earned that gold coin. So, he valued the hard work that he did, and that is the reason he was not throwing the gold coin in the well. Now, match the column and complete the sentence. If the son failed to earn, he would not be served dinner. The boy's sister gave him a gold coin. The shopkeeper would give the boy a gold coin if he carried a trunk on to his house. The boy could not throw the money as he earned. He has earned it by hard work. The father was happy that his son has learned the value of hard work. Yes, the father was very happy that his son knows what hard work is, because He has worked hard to get that gold coin. Now, renumber the sentences in the correct order. So, the first one is the businessman's son was lazy and unworthy. The father wanted his son to earn the value of hard work. The son cleverly got a gold coin from his mother. The father told him to throw the gold coin in the well. Then the son readily threw the gold coin in the well. Yes. Now make sentences, children. Hard work, meaning working hard to achieve something. So hard work is when you study well, when you work hard to get something, you get positive results. Okay. So you need to make a sentence on hard work. Make that and write it down in the empty space. Okay. So now we have Tony and Tutu. You haven't put the painting on the wall yet. I tried so hard, but I couldn't do it. You have just been sitting down all the day. I worked so hard thinking about how to do it now. I am tired. So now both these friends are saying, "Arey, you were about to put the painting on the wall. What happened? You did not do that." So the monkey is saying, "I was just sitting and thinking where to put the painting and I got tired." So that is not hard work. Hard work is when you work hard for something and when you achieve it. You should have that dedication, children, कि मुझे ये चीज़ तो किसी भी तरह अचीव करनी ही करनी है. Then only the results would be positive. अगर सोचते रहेंगे कि पढ़ाई करनी है, होमवर्क करना है, पर हम करेंगे नहीं तो होमवर्क कैसे होगा? नहीं होगा ना. So we need to work for it. Okay. Now subject connect. Use the words in the box. Describe the following. The two words for each. So father was rich and hardworking. Son was unworthy and lazy. Mother was affectionate and soft-hearted. Yes. Now value for life. How do you use your time? Let us find out of you are hardworking and tick on the correct one. So when I wake up in the morning, I get up immediately. Or you go back to sleep or you snooze the alarm. What do? You get up immediately, right? Yeah. When I have school homework to do, I do it when I get home. Now I have a lot of homework and there is much more time. There is not much time to feed the pet. That time what you do? Do you ask somebody else to feed the pet, or you make sure that the pet is fed first and then you do your homework, or you decide to give the feed the next day? क्या करते हो आप? So either you ask your mom or dad to do it, or you feed the pet first and then do your homework, children. I have a lot of homework and my school books are all over the table. I am very tired. So what I do? क्या करते हो आप? You go to the bed and you do the tidy and you tidy up next day, or you go to the bed straight and someone else will tidy things for you, or you tied up and then go to the bed. क्या करते हो आप? पहले अपना रूम जमा लेते हो, पहले बुक्स जमाते हो and then you go to the bed. That's the proper way, children, that we should always follow a routine in life, right? Cleanliness is a very, very important part of your life, children. Discipline is a very important part if you need to achieve anything in life. Okay. Now be wise. Complete the following sentences. The sweeper help us to clean the surroundings. The traffic police help us to maintain discipline on the road. The watchman help us to. So what does the watchman do? It is save us from the theft or other unwanted things. These people work hard to make our life easy. Can you name few of them? So और कौन से लोग हैं जो अपने को help करते हैं? Like doctors, teachers, and then you have your policemen. All these people are helping us every day to have discipline in the city. Now, very nice, we have an activity for you. Put these important values in alphabet order and look at the meaning in the dictionary. So, try to find out the meaning in the dictionary for these words, children. The first word is confidence, leadership, belief, perseverance and courage. So, in dictionary you find out the meaning and write it down here. Okay. Now it says what's okay. In the circle alongside, write two behavior that are correct and that you are not are not correct in the classroom or lunch break or in library. So, yes. Now, do you see two columns? One says okay and one says not okay. So, in the class, helping your partner or helping, now you are at home, so helping your mom is okay. Cleaning your room is okay. Taking care of your pet is okay. Studying on time is okay. What is not okay? Making noise in the house. Then dirtying your room is not okay. Littering around here and there is not okay. Not doing your homework or not studying is not okay. And at lunch break, okay is you should have your lunch on time, proper nutritious lunch. Not okay is not having your lunch on time or just eating pizzas and chocolates and ice creams are not good for your health. Okay, children, so this was all about the unworthy son and hard work. So, to achieve good results in life, children, and to have a peaceful life, we should always work hard. Work hard will come through dedication, through willpower. So, concentrate on what you are doing and you will achieve whatever you want in life. Okay, I will see you in the next class. Till that time, children, bye bye. Take care.